Users of the desktop application OneNote, such as OneNote 2016, and users of Class Notebook are going to want to download the Class Notebook toolbar so that you can distribute pages and review your student work and just have other management features of your notebook. To do this, you're going to come to the website onenote.com/classnotebook, and it's going to bring you to this page. And if you scroll down, you will look for the green button that says Download the Class Notebook add-in. You will see a note here that says OneNote for Windows 10 on the web, Mac, and iPad users don't need to download this because it's already built in. But if you are a OneNote 2016 user, any desktop version of OneNote, you will need to do this download once. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you do not have OneNote open on your computer when you do this download, or it won't go through the process of installing. And you're just going to click the green button, and once it's done downloading, you can click on it. Depending on the browser, it may show up in a different location, but on the Chrome browser it shows up here on the bottom, and I'm going to click it so that I can now go through the installation process. So you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to click install. Generally the installation process takes less than a minute, and then once it's complete, you'll be prompted to launch OneNote so you can ensure that it has been installed. So now I'm going to click Launch OneNote. OneNote 2016 has launched on my computer. I can see the Class Notebook toolbar has appeared, and it's now ready for me to use so that I can manage my class notebooks.